So I first got into drones in 2016 while I was going to school at Stephen F. Austin State University. There I went to a class, Forest Insects and Diseases, when a professor walked in, Dr. Colavy, and he had the Parrot Bebop drone. And he walked in and he said, "Everyone, drones are the future. And I need one of y'all to be the drone pilot for the research we're doing." No one else raised their hand, and me, I've played lots of video games. It sounded pretty interesting, so I raised my hand. He handed the drone, put the drone on my desk, and was like, "Okay, you're my drone pilot now." Through that, got my Part 107 license with the FAA, and just really kind of fell in love with it. It became my passion and hobby. In 2020, got hired with Arc Aerial. I was hired as a UAS pilot, and I was just so excited. Arc Aerial was a lot smaller back then, 5 years ago, and we traveled all over. We made trips up to West Texas, Wyoming, Alabama, Louisiana, and it was just really cool. It was what I'd been wanting to do for a long time. And then in 2023, a position opened up and I became operations manager for the Southwest region. It was such a great growing experience for me, because stepping from piloting to a leadership role and starting to manage other pilots, it was really cool. I really grew as a person. It's really been a rewarding experience, and I'm excited to see how it keeps growing. Really, the sky's the limit, literally. We're constantly growing, and we're getting bigger and better drones, and it's just so cool to be a part of that and help lead other pilots and keep learning myself to learn more about the industry and grow with the technology.